Do you need help? Or do you have legal questions? Then ask the expert.
I'm Anthony Carbone. I've been an attorney in Jersey City for 33 years. So since this pandemic, the domestic violence caseload in the courts have exploded. There are so many more domestic violence cases since this pandemic that the courts can't even control the amount of cases. They were taking judges from other divisions of the court to help handle domestic violence cases. They did that in Hudson County. I've seen that done in Essex County. The amount of domestic violence cases has increased substantially. My office has represented various people on both sides of the domestic violence equation. People who are victims of domestic violence, people who were arrested for domestic violence and alleged to have committed domestic violence. We represented police officers, we represented physicians, we represented lawyers, we represented unemployed people. The same domestic violence situation doesn't have any socioeconomic boundaries. It doesn't. Domestic violence happens all over. And we've been handling these cases regularly since the pandemic. Fortunately, the courts have been doing these trials virtually because that's the only way that they can get rid of the backlog is to handle these cases and to handle these trials virtually. Now, is that the best way that you really want to get your day in court? Is to have your day in court while you're sitting in your bedroom on a computer? Maybe not, but at least you're getting your day in court and we're getting these cases resolved. And if you're a victim of domestic violence, then perhaps you're getting your restraining order and you're getting something that you need in order to protect you. And if you're alleged to have committed domestic violence and believe you didn't commit domestic violence, then at least you get this case resolved and you get yourself defended and you get yourself exonerated long before these courts are ever going to be back in person. So although they may happen virtually, at least we're getting these cases resolved, and the amount of domestic violence cases is still exploding. It's still exploding. Thank you for watching these videos. I hope I gave you some insight on personal injury law, what a lawyer can do for you, what we can do for you. What we want you to know is that we're open and we're here for you to help you with your legal problems. If you need a lawyer, call us. We're here.